winter is freezing and trees start to bolt, and I don't wanna be sitting alone in a room that's just filled with my soul. And so I came to this place, I'm looking for a familiar face, and that's when I saw you. 'Cause you don't know me and I don't know you, but it breaks my heart. You're looking so blue on the last of the year. I just picked your name on the coffee cup, but a stroke of luck, the guy just messed up and gave your cup to me. Swapping our cups, and after a while we're swapping a glance. And I can't think nothing better than started a year with a drop of romance. 'Cause I came to this place looking for a familiar face, and that's when I met you. 'Cause you don't know me and I don't know you, but it breaks my heart. You're looking so blue on the first of the year. I just picked your name on the coffee cup, with a stroke of luck, the guy just messed up and gave your cup to me. Cappuccino is what matters me, and the way you came toward me, dragging your feet, and I just smiled at you. I don't wanna be lonely when winter is freezing and trees start to bolt, and I don't wanna be sitting alone in a room that's just filled with my soul. And so I came to this place, I'm looking for a familiar face, and that's when I saw you.
Running through the gates of hell and back, I feel you near, but no, not the same, we're strangers here. We're catching up since the love that we had. It's funny how it all seemed to change. We'll push our luck 'cause we don't wanna be sad. It's like old familiar games. You and I are breaking all the rules that we've seen to keep making, with our hands held tight together. Are we friends or are we lovers?
Lines were crossed, feeling confused, a friend was lost. We tried too many times, but I'm still wishing that I could call you mine.
We're lighting up when the radio's on. We're driving through the hills tonight. We're feeling tough 'cause our favorite song is telling us we'll be alright. You and I are breaking all the rules that we've seen and keep making, with our hands held tight together. Are we friends or are we lovers? You together.